Here we have a 67 plate BMW 330D M Sport Shadow Edition Touring. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the blue exterior paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front kidney grills, and we do also have the full M Performance kit on this vehicle, including the front splitter. Coming round to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts along the bottom. We also have the M Sport suspension, colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the black roof rails with the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. Now we also have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the twin pipe exhaust on the left with the rear diffuser. We also have a power operated tailgate which can also split, so if you just press a button underneath here, you can see we can open up the glass just like so for quick and easy access. Coming back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look now at the interior, so inside of the back first you'll find the full black leather interior. We have the foldable armrest in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We do also have the electric windows on the doors. Now at the front, again you've got the same leather seats, with both the front seats being heated. There is a quick look at them. We do have the Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights, automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, you'll find the dashboard in front of us. If we put our foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. Got the speed meter, cruise control here on the left hand side, along with the high beam assist on that stalk there. We are free from any warning lights as well on the dashboard other than for the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. Got the sat-nav navigation just here on the main infotainment screen. Many more features you would have seen on the photos, but we do have the shortcuts and the buttons down here. Click onto media, you find the radio stations. If you go over to the left, you find the other media options just here, which we can scroll through. We also have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. Moving further down, we have the vents. We also have the dual zone climate control, ice-cold air conditioning, heated seats as well on either side, all working as they should do. We also have the automatic gearbox just here with the different drive modes, so you can press these buttons and quickly go through the different drive modes. We also have the sport displays, pretty cool features to have. Let's just leave it in comfort for now. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park just like so. We then have the manual handbrake down here and also the armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.